Hello everyone, today I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can change your number on your BIGO Live application on your mobile device. It is going to be a very simple and easy tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, go ahead and open your BIGO application on your mobile device. Once you have done that, go ahead and skip the ad that it's going to show you. Finally, on the bottom right, there is going to be profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you have done that, go ahead and scroll down all the way to settings and open it. And now, as you can see, there is going to be a account management, as you can see. And on account management, on the first there is phone. Tap on it. Once you have done that, go ahead and click on change phone number. And here you can basically add your verification code that BIGO Live will send. Once it's verified, you will have to enter your new phone number right over here by erasing this and simply entering. So once you have entered your new phone number, go ahead and tap on send. So as you can see, I already have this phone number connected to my BIGO Live account. But basically, once you have a new phone number added, once you click on send, a verification code will be sent to your phone, and it will directly be added right over here on the verification code tab from your messages. And all you have to do is tap on done, and your phone number should change. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.